All right, so tell us who you are, where you're from, and what you drive.
Chris Becker. It's a 1995 Nissan 240. It's got a 6.0 stock cubic inch LS motor, twin turbo, power glide, and we just recently switched to a big tire on it. See what it would do on no prep, and it's doing pretty good.
Now, typically you were saying you do a bunch of radial racing.
Yep.
How has the transition been, number one, to no prep, and then number two, to big tire?
It was challenging at first, but we figured it out. We had one day of testing and went out to the audition for the Team South Carolina and won it.
Right.
Got on there, so it was we had one day of testing. I got a pretty good suspension guy. He helped me set up the rear end and stuff on it. And yeah, we got it working pretty good though.
Now, do you guys do a lot of different traveling and racing, or?
Yeah, we do a good bit when we can, get away from work and stuff like that. But we're trying to do a lot more. Now that I got the shop showing pretty good, pretty much running itself now, so we can do a lot more racing.
Now, why a 240?
Everybody drifted the cars. And I started off doing a turbo LS, and I was going to do just go slide it really high speeds and stuff like that. Thought it'd be fun. Took it to the drag strip one time, and it's like, hey, it's going to be a challenge. Let's try to make this thing work. And 7 years now, I think, later, here we are with the back half and pretty much a race car, other than I still drive it on the street.
Yeah, I mean, it's a 6.0. It should be able to maintain its streetness pretty easily.
It's tagged, insured, registered, put a radiator on it so I could cruise it however long. And it's just the M1's a little rough, trying to keep fuel in it. But I put a 15-gallon fuel cell back there to help with weight on the back and give me plenty of fuel to be able to get around on.
Now, how much work was it to get the big tire in there? I mean, I see the tubs coming through.
Yeah, well, we originally set it up for a 315/60 pro radial, and that's why I wanted that room, so if I ever want to go to a big tire on it, I could, because that was considered a big tire, really.
Yeah. And
these tires still took some motivation in there in the fender wells to make it really work without scrubbing too bad. But we got it in there. It's a little close. It's got a little bit.
It's a little tight.
Yeah.
Now, we're out here in Cottonwood, JJ's arm drop. Do you have anybody in mind that you want to race, or is there anybody you're looking for, or you just draw out of the hat kind of guy?
I just want to race.
You just want to race?
Oh, yeah. Let fate decide, but if anyone wants to call me out, I'll run them. I don't care.
I wouldn't call it out. I'm something about it. Do you share the weight?
You
don't have to.
Weight.
Well, yeah, for no prep, you usually end up, throwing it on the back.
We put a lot. We had to, because it was so heavy on the front with that setup. Those turbos hanging off the front and everything. It's really heavy on the nose, but now we got it. I can load it either way on the trailer, and it ain't gonna matter for the weight now.
Right.
Because it's just heavy in the rear as it is the back.
Now, do you have any sponsors or shops or anybody that helps you out or anything you want to shout out? What's your shop?
Alignment Plus in Anderson. It's actually Alignment Plus Dyno. Automotive dyno Performance. We do a little bit of everything. We do setups for people, we do tuning on the newer LS and LT motors.
Right.
And have an in-house dyno that, we do dyno days, stuff like that. Have a little car gear.
You guys got a Facebook or any?
Yeah, it's just Alignment Plus.
Alignment Plus?
Yeah.
So the people can find you when we're done.
Yeah, we got a good bit that comes out there. We're actually booked out right now on a good bit of build stuff for the newer model cars.
What turbos did you go with?
Those are the Garrett GT 45Rs.
45Rs.
I actually had a Precision 106 that I was putting on it. It was too big for me to fit it right.
Yeah.
So I traded it for those two and slapped it together. I actually pretty much bought everything used from different people that were parting their cars out.
Right.
Slapped it all together, and it works pretty good.
Well, it's an awesome car, and I can't wait to see you get down the track. So best of luck to you this weekend, and stay safe, brother.
Oh, yeah. It's one of those lead came on the plate.
I like that color match powder coat.
Yeah.
That's
Tinsley's Custom Coatings. He's the one who does it.
Yeah, it's a basic run-of-the-mill 6.0 block.
Yep, 317 head, stock crank, just piston rod combo.
Piston rod combo. I'm an LS guy, so I love these things. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what I enjoy.
They get hate, but there's plenty of love out there for them.
It is what it is. I mean,
Radiator in the back. You see where my battery tried to eject from the wheelie pass I made.
nice.
Came through, burned a hole through the metal. Right here, it welded itself to it, and it welded the trunk lid to the body right there.
No kidding.
About 3 weeks ago. And then right after that, we went, I got IDS to send me another set of coilovers, set them up on the car. Within 1 week of snapping that car in half, bent that coilover, shifted the fuel cell up 6 inches, knocked the rear end over 1/2 inch, fixed all of it, went back to track, went fast as it's ever been.
No kidding.
107 60 foot on ready prep. Next week, set up for no prep.
I like
Went
it.
out and won that shootout. Yeah. That's pretty crazy.
It looks like it's going to be some competition. Like
Put
this
a lot of
thing's.
time in this. I'm getting it ready for it.
You looking ready? First one down.
Yeah,
Everybody's always waits for the first one,
Well,
right?
I was waiting. Ain't anybody going.
Do it.
Let's do the damn thing. That first one got down there through there pretty good.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, dude.
they're doing a good lick.
So what are you thinking now? Turn it up some, see what it'll take?
No, I'm gonna go to the right lane, get some data in it,
Oh, you did left first. Yeah, yeah.
then the left, and the first one down it. But it's going to drag to get there,
It's looking good.
and I let out for a good bit up there when it whipped, but I can fix that too.
So what are you doing first round?
Calling out a little heavy.
What lean you got?
Left lane.
Left lane. All right, so I'm gonna put my GoPro on the right. I'll be on the starting line tonight, so we'll get it set up.
I'm gonna try them out. You gonna mill big tires on mill small tires.
There it is.
500 on it.
500. That's $1,000 race right there, bud.
Yes, sir.